working on the damage or the rusty wheel arch repair. We've replaced the sill panel in there so that we could repair the damage and get into put some rust protector and rust converter and some paint on the inside panels. That line coming down there is where the edge of the repair panel is going to go, so that's why the seal stops at that point. We replaced this panel. You can see this has all been made up. This piece here in here as well. We repaired all of that, or replaced it. So now we're going to so that's all 14 gauge, so quite thick metal. This bit here, as we work up, all of this is going to be replaced. As you can see, it's pretty bad. So that's the edge of it. I mean, it does. If you look at this, actually, there is a sharp edge all the way around. I can't really see it because of the light. But see the edges all there. It was only really fixed at this part up here. You can see that bit there. Pretty much where the fixing is, just there, which is a bit odd. Anyway, I have been started cutting away. The scratch mark around the edge here is where the repair panel goes, so I started working out to there. There was a hole here which obviously had some kind of rubber bung or something in it at one point, but luckily it's covered with goop like this, panel sealant blocking it up, so that's why we didn't get any more water in there. Other than that, that would definitely rapidly rust it out, I'm sure. I did cut too deep there. There's also some filler on this wing here moving backwards, so definitely need some repair work there. So today's challenge is to cut this bit out. This is for a Clico on the repair panel, so I have to leave that bit for now. So yeah, go around there, and then obviously we need to start working on a repair in this corner too. See this bit here, as you can see all around here, all that needs to be replaced. There's a lot of it already filled in with this sort of rubbery panel sealant. So yeah, we've got to replace that with metal. So that's definitely an ongoing challenge, but that's where we are. So trying to follow Fitzy's advice, just make it out of the big piece, weld it in, grind it back, cut it to the size you want, and obviously re-weld where you've missed all the holes, but there you go. Just put that bit in, we'll go from there. So that's the first pass. Got to go back and fill in the gaps. One nice thing is that this, what you can just see in there, that, I'll get you some light. What you can see there, that is that black piece there is visible from inside the boot. So we can pull that out. You can see there's like a cable there. I think that's probably for, I don't know what it's for actually. But there's a cable there, so you can get to various different bits and pieces. So I'm pretty sure if we can then do a cut and butt, because we'll be able to go in through the boot to get the old piece of metal out. Likewise at the front here, there's this piece of foam that I've got wedged back at the moment, but yeah, we can probably get to the front of that if we really tried from inside the car. But what I'll do is I'll cut from here and go that way, and then hopefully we can get it get the scrap metal out of the other end. So now, if we pull this down, you can actually see the outside weld. So yes, that's the piece we need to get out. And then from there we can use the, we'll be able to get to the back and get to the metal that's left over from the cut and butt. Cheers. Next. Okay, so let's get these screws out. And here. Two of those, put those over there for a second. we've got a number here, they don't seem to be. Maybe I need a trim tool. Back in a second. So I was given this comprehensive trim set for Christmas. Very much used now. Let's see if we can get these off. Cool. Those. Obviously the same thing again over here. These. As you can see, we've got this these clips here. These were in those holes, just there, that had the Phillips screws in. Oh, looks like I pushed the bulb out. So yeah, those were probably what was just holding it back in. So let's see if now we've removed those. Still have to get this out, and I think because it's wedged behind here, I have to get all of that out. So let's clear all the rubbish out and get back to it in a sec. So yeah, these are just held in by metal clips. If you look down, maybe you can just about see right down the bottom of that, see what's holding that clip in. So a little bit of brute force should get it out. Now that I've taken out the internal coverings, the plastic panels, etc. Yeah, you can clearly see that we can get to the back of the cutout. So hopefully, with a bit of luck, we'll be able to get to the waste material that's been cut off after the cut and butt process, and clean up the welds on this side too. Not much else. We'll put the next stages in, working on getting the outer wheel arch repair panel to fit a lot better than it did. Oh yeah, so see you in the next video.